Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello students. As per the given question, the aggregate loss of independent policies can be modeled using a compound distribution. So in this case, we are dealing with a uniform distribution for claiming a severity. So given that the claim severity X is distributed as uniform distribution with mean 0, variance 10, and each policy has a probability of 0.2 for a claim of which is P is equals to 0.2 and a no claim which is Q is equals to 0.8. This is the probability of success and this is the probability of failure. And a policy limit U is equals to 8. So we are dealing with 20 independent policies. Let us calculate the mean and variance step by step. So in the step 1, we need to calculate the mean and variance for the claim of severity of X, which is follows uniform distribution with 0, 10. So mean of X is equals to 0 plus 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. A, B. So A plus B by 2 and the variance of X is equals to 10 square by 12, which is equals to 8.333 approximately. In the next step, we need to calculate the mean and variance of the aggregate loss for a single policy using a limit U is equals to 8. So the mean aggregate loss is equals to P into U is equals to 0.2 into 8, which is equals to 1.6. And next, the variance of aggregate loss is equals to P into U square into 1 minus P, which is equals to 0.2 into 8 square into 0.8, which is equals to 10.24. So now, since we have 20 independent policies, calculate the mean and variance for the aggregate loss for all the policies. So the mean aggregate loss for 20 policies is equals to 20 into mean of a single policy. Mean of single policy is equals to 20 into 1.6, which is equals to 32. So mean of aggregate loss is equals to 20x into mean of single policy, which is equals to 20 into 1.6. And now for the variance of aggregate loss policy for 20 is equals to 20 into variance of single policy, which is equals to 20 into 10.24, which is equals to 204.8. So now let us write down the summary of the values that we have calculated so far. So as we have calculated the mean of aggregate loss for of 20 independent policies is 32 and the variance is equals to 204.8. Thank you.